Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you often struggle on how to organise small or awkward spaces in the home, then today I'm sharing with you 3 spaces I've reorganised so that they work more efficiently and effectively. As we all know, under the sink storage can often be quite tricky to master, as you want everything to fit not only efficiently, but you also want to make the most of the space you have to play with. So the way I maximise my space is by using small plastic drawer units to store cleaning cloths and sponges on the one side, and then on the other I use a raised shelf stand from IKEA at the back of the cupboard so I can clearly see what I have and I can access it easily. I also use hooks on the inside of the doors for my washing up gloves and kitchen cloths. The cupboard under the stairs can be a useful place to store things, however this can sometimes become a dumping ground. Try maximising your space and keeping it tidy by using hanging shoe storage that can easily be hooked onto the back of the door, or you could use a shoe shelf as it's nice and compact for storing multiple pairs of shoes in. In the smallest part of the cupboard I use 2 shoe shelves stacked on top of each other to store towels, throws and duvet sets on. I also use wire baskets to store smaller items on the shelves like tea towels and pillowcases. From IKEA I use these plastic bag holders for not only plastic bags but also wrapping paper. Then lastly I use these inexpensive plastic hooks on the walls for anything extra that could be hung instead. If you have a bedroom in the roof, then you'll most probably have one of those awkward sized cubby holes that you don't know what to do with. We decided to use ours to store files in using 3 IKEA box shelves stacked on top of each other. I then used these beautiful files, magazine holder and paper wallets to store everything in so that it's organised, tidy and easily accessible. I also store in this cupboard these 2 marble wash baskets where I house the washing that needs to be done for that week. So guys, thank you so much for watching and give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow me on Instagram, Pinterest and Twitter for more inspiration, and I'll look forward to seeing you on Friday for my beauty related video. Have a lovely rest of the week guys, and I'll look forward to seeing you then. Take care, bye.